If you are looking for an affordable cutter for tough sheet materials, the Excalibur 3S is the machine for you. It's ideal for the busy studio or workshop and will give you a quick payback with reduced waste and savings on cutting time. Developed by Keencut's world-leading experts, the Excalibur 3S is simple, intuitive to operate, and provides a consistent, perfect cut every time. We have already set up the Excalibur 3S using Keencut's quick precision 90-degree squaring system and by adjusting the telescopic legs. The material stands easily on the one-piece squaring arm. There are two ways to set up for your cut. Use the sightline strip for cutting accurately to crop lines, or use the production stops when cutting to size. Keencut's unique full-length pressure-sensitive clamp provides maximum clamping to hold tough materials precisely for a perfect cut. A silicone rubber cord gently holds delicate or printed surfaces without damage. And the sightline strip achieves accuracy every time without the need for expensive, unpredictable lasers. All of the tools on the Excalibur 3S are permanently attached, ready for action and cut along the same line. The multi-tool head cuts or scores without the need for expensive specialist blades. For thicker materials, the automatic ratchet system provides incremental cutting for a quality finish. For the dust and noise-free cutting of Dibond and MDF, select the twin wheel cutter. This creates a safe clean edge in a single pass. As with all Keencut products, the Excalibur 3S is safe by design, robust, durable, and made with premium quality materials.